Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to boost FPS in Apex Legends, all right, especially on PC. Well, the first thing you need to do here, if you have the game running, just go ahead and close this one. Now, the next thing that we would want to do is just go ahead over to our file explorer. All right, now go ahead over to this PC, local disk C, or where your OS is installed. All right, now go ahead and go to users, your profile, saved games, respawn, Apex, then local. Once done, double click on video config. All right, maximize this one. So what we're going to do in here is just go ahead and delete everything. Delete, minimize, copy the codes in this particular notepad. Control A, Control X to cut, or Control C to copy. Now go back to the video config.txt, paste that in here. File, hit on save. Now close everything. Don't worry about the config file or the config code. I'll leave that one in the description, all right? Now going back to the folder, right here, as you can see, we have made the changes. So right click on it and go ahead over to properties and make sure that the attributes is set to read only. Once done, just hit on apply, hit on OK. Now go ahead and launch Apex Legends again and your FPS will boost dramatically, all right? That's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.